As I promised, I said I was going to come back and I was going to use these gloves right here, which I end up getting from Five Below. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, welcome back to my channel. This is Virgo Creativity, and thank you. Okay, but I end up getting these gloves from Five Below, and yeah, I'm gonna use these 10-pound weights, okay, which I have two, so I'm gonna work out with them. And yeah, and it's hot already, okay, and I'm getting extra hot because I have on my sweat belt, and this sweat belt came from, I believe it was Burlington's for like $3.99 or $4. Okay, and so yeah, and thank you and shout out to all the supporters that are here supporting me. And so yeah, I just want to thank you because I am so highly appreciative of those that are here on my channel, that's, you know what I'm saying, that's rocking with me 100. I hope that for those that are here with me, that are rocking with me, that enjoy my content, okay, because I am a content creator. So yeah, so I hope that you like what I'm putting forth. And yeah, it just is what it is. My channel has come a long way. I'm just trying to stay fit and stay in shape and give good glow, like I said. Okay, so forget the doubters, forget the haters, you know what I'm saying. It is what it is, and I'm just going to get down into this routine. I feel like I've talked long enough, but sometimes you just have to go ahead and just let it out, okay? And sweat is a good way. So yeah, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick up these 10-pound weights. And you guys, I am so tall, so I'm going to just give myself a little space, you know, and then I'm just going to curl. So this is 10 and this is 10, the right and the left. And I'm gonna try to do off top first 3 sets of 10. I'm gonna do, so 1, 2, 3, and so what was that? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's 10. 1, 2, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 30. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is just drive this one back, okay, behind, as though if I'm revving up a lawnmower machine, okay? So I'm gonna just take this foot right here and stretch it. You know what I'm saying? And just go back with it. 2, 8, 9, 10. And what I'm gonna do 30 over here and then 30 on the other side, okay? 10. Did I say 10? See, that's why y'all need to count with me, because sometimes when I get the yapping, I lose concentration. It is what it is. You feel me? Okay, so look, I'm gonna do 10 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. That's 30, right? Okay, do you guys see all of this sweat just that quick? Like, I'm dripping sweat, like, for real, for real. But I need to hit this other arm, okay, which is my left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is that? 10 more? 1, 8. Okay. Woo! Y'all, okay, so I have done, what was that, 60 arm movements, okay? So, you know what? I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a long time, okay? So you could just take the 10-pound weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 20. And you should feel, okay? You should feel it. This could be a little tighter. That's only what, 21? Or you could even do it like this. 1, 2, 3. I like to dig in it. I forgot how many is that. See? I'm gonna just say 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna do the other side. But I'm gonna rock with this one. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's only 20. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You know what? I feel like I can do some more curls now. This where the tests come in at. You see my light flickering in and out. Y'all forgive me for that. I hope so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See there? Woo-wee. That's 10. And that's 20 pounds. Okay? That's 10. Come on. Let's get it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Who y'all thought? I ain't playing with it. Oh man, okay, that's 20. Come on, 10 more. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. 7, 8. Okay, 9, 10. Some more curls. So what I'm gonna do is drop my arm down. See, here's my shoulder, here's my arm, and I'm just gonna come up with it. 3, but you know what? I'm only gonna do 5 at a time. 3, 4, 5, because my arms are getting a little. See, there's my arm, okay, and I'm dropping it in my inner thigh, and this hand is placing on this knee right here, just for stability. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and y'all see me work on my back arms. If you haven't, go ahead and watch one of my other fitness videos, and you know what? I'll leave the link in the description bar for Virgo Creativity's workouts. Okay, I'll even hashtag it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think I've done that twice. So I'll move y'all. And the fan is not even on. In a minute. since I sweated like this. You feel me? Feel me? So what was that? 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Them 30s, okay? Just dripping everywhere. Okay? Let that go. Yeah. Whew. God, this is like, you can really see my skin tone, my skin and everything. Goodness, why y'all didn't tell me to get a doggone ring light? Huh, baby? Huh? Okay. Look, y'all, let me see. This gonna take a lot out of me. Let me see if I can still do it. See, I know my weaknesses. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm tired. I'm gonna do 2 more, and then I'm gonna stop. All right, I'm gonna stop right there, cause like, okay, so this is an update. So I just want to kind of slim down for my B-day, you know, do a little sweating, cut the little calories. You feel me? That's my angle right here, I think. Or is it this side? I don't know, y'all tell me. Is it my left or is it my right? I don't know. So I'm gonna get on out of here. Like, I be clowning, y'all. I love when my personality poke out. How you do? How you do? How you do? But I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. Like, I don't wanna edit this video down too much. You know what I'm saying? Like, this was just a little time, and you know, you should dedicate at least 1 whole hour to yourself daily if you can, if it's possible. You know what I'm saying? At least 30 minutes, okay? Like, and I took this 30 minutes to, you know, get on up here, which has been longer than 30 minutes because of course I've been running my mouth, but my goodness, I can't get over this light. Yes, I should have been had a ring light. Like I said, why y'all didn't tell me? Stop playing. Stop playing with it, okay? But if you're new to my channel, I'm from Los Angeles, okay? I'm from Los Angeles, California, okay? South Central to be exact, okay? I have a huge personality and I like to do a variety here on my channel. And hit subscribe, okay? And yes, just go ahead, binge watch, go down, scroll down and watch some of my videos. So, you know, yeah. And I hope that my personality resonates with you, okay? So you can go ahead and hit subscribe and so you can help me run it up, okay? Yes, help me run it up, up. Yes, yes, help me run it up, okay? I might come back and show y'all what happened on my birthday, but yeah, I feel good, I feel great. So I always like to end my videos with this. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling, goodness, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do. I'm just in love with this ring, like, y'all, goodness. I need another one, okay? Yeah, but pow, peace, y'all. I'm out.